Everyone's cooking rice with tomatoes after discovering this brilliant idea. In a pot with almost cooked rice, we'll add 3 tomatoes, cover and wait until it's done. When the tomatoes are ready, we'll remove them, peel off the skin and put them in a blender. Then we'll cover and blend it thoroughly. This is the perfect consistency. Now we'll take it out and set it aside. Meanwhile, in a pan, we'll add some oil and a chopped onion. We'll lightly fry it and add 3 minced garlic cloves. Let's wait until it's well sauteed. I'll season with salt, some chili flakes and wait until it's golden. This is the ideal point. Now we'll add all of our tomato sauce. Top with a spoon of sugar, 2 of sweet paprika and mix well. After cooking and reducing a bit, let's add our pre-fried chicken. Here I'm using breaded chicken fillets. To finish, we'll sprinkle some parsley on top for garnish. Now folks, let's plate the chicken with our cooked rice. Just look at how incredible this dish turns out. Try this at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. It's a quick, easy and delicious recipe, perfect for lunch. I hope you enjoyed this one. That's another recipe from Pobre na Cocina. Big hugs, see you next time and thanks a bunch.